Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to tell you how to use WhatsApp Plus features. So WhatsApp Plus is an official paid optional or optional paid subscription from Meta that will bring advanced personalization and organizational features to your WhatsApp application itself. So depending upon your region, it actually costs around $3 to unlock premium perks, maybe like exclusive stickers, custom themes, and expanded chat management. So if you would like to subscribe to your WhatsApp Plus, make sure that it is available in your region. Now with WhatsApp Plus, you can pin up to 20 chats. Before you were only being able to pin like 3 chats, but now you can pin up to 20 chats. And you can also enhance the chat list. For that, you're going to have to tap on this 3-dot icon, select settings, and from here, go for subscription. So that option is not available to me in my region, but you're going to have to tap on subscriptions as you see here, then tap on WhatsApp Plus and customize list to group contacts, add custom themes, and set distance alert tone for each of your friends. Now with WhatsApp Plus, you can also get some exclusive ringtones. And the process is the same. You're going to have to access the subscription first by going on for settings and subscriptions. Along with that, you can completely customize your app themes and icons. For example, I have my WhatsApp icon right here. If you are subscribed to WhatsApp Plus, you will be able to customize your icon or maybe make it any color that you would prefer. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.